Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to match your iPhone 17 icons to your case. Okay, but you need to remember that this feature works only with dedicated cases, so you need to have that in mind. Now, to match your icons to your case, we need to launch the customization menu on our home screen. Simply hold on an empty space on your home screen and now click on the edit button. Okay, now tap on Customize and first click on Tinted Theme, and down below we can see those icons. The first one will do that your icons will be in the same color as your backside of the phone. So currently it's blue, but when it comes to the case you need to select the second icon. In my case I don't have a case right now, so simply currently the color is I don't have any color. The icons are transparent, but for example, let's say that you'll have a red case or I don't know, orange case. If you tap on that icon, the iPhone will select orange color for your icons, so it will be something like that, I guess. So all you need to remember is that you need to use the dedicated case, and you need to tap on this second icon to apply the colors of your case into your icons. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.